Since 1977, Tachia Young-Ho Machine Industry has grown to be one of the largest manufacturers of butt-welded fittings in Taiwan and became a publicly listed company in 2007. Producing a wide range of stainless steel industrial, sanitary, and UHP fittings for over 30 years, we now offer elbows, tees, reducers, lap joint stub ends, caps, valves, gaskets, accessories, and special parts. We are the first and only company in Taiwan to produce pipe fittings ranging from 0.5 to 48 inches. All these items are made to ASTM, JIS, DIN, and BS standards. Additionally, we have advanced polishing and cleaning equipment and professional inspection instruments to ensure our customers remain confident about the quality of our goods. We are bound to have the items you are looking for because OEM customization services are available. Let our professional R&D team help you create custom items that meet your design and quality requirements. Our unique production technologies include electropolishing, micromachining, and more. We also do full appearance inspections before packing our products and run strict IQC, IPQC, and OQC systems. On top of this, we also import high-quality material from famous brands for added assurance. To cut costs, increase environmental protection, and prevent goods from being damaged during delivery, we have replaced the traditional wooden cases with heavy load cartons. At our ISO 9001-2000 and ISO 14001-2004 certified factory, we have 230 employees dedicated to processing your orders. With their help, we are able to produce up to 4,500 tons of fittings per year for export to Germany, Japan, mainland China, France, the UK, the US, and 60 other countries. Our reputable buyers include Formosa Plastics Corporation, Taiwan Power Company, CPC Corporation, CTCI Corporation, Changcheng Group, Capco, Chirmei, AU Optronics Corporation, PowerChip, Air Liquide, and others. Aside from the excellent product quality that we provide, another reason to cooperate with us is that we are easy to work with. If you are looking for an experienced and reliable supplier to handle your custom orders, contact us today.